Hey folks, Sean Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm answering the question, should I buy an annuity if I have a 401k? It depends on how to interpret that. For the record, most annuities are funded by 401k rollovers. So it's a very, very popular method of paying for their annuity. So if you have an old 401k from a previous employer, you could roll that over into an annuity if you're thinking about it. But the reason why people would buy an annuity is they want a contractually guaranteed income in the future, right? They want a personal pension plan that their employer forgo to provide to their employees and gave them a 401k instead. 401ks are okay. They're not the best, they're not the worst. They're okay retirement vehicles. My rule of thumb is always match what the company's going to match if they have a contribution match. But in terms of having some sort of future guarantee, you're not going to get that with a 401k. You're kind of like contributing to it and you're guessing, right, what your outcome will be, 10, 15, 20, 30 years in the future. With an annuity, you don't have to worry about that. You could plug in, you could come into our website today, plug in our calculator, and it'll tell you what your future income is. And just a side note, if you are under the age of 40, it may not show you a quote, so you'd have to request it from us. We can get that for you. But I think it's more of a preference thing. Do you want contractually guaranteed future retirement income, or do you want to contribute to a 401k and kind of guess to see what you're going to get? That's more preference than anything. I think if you're nearing retirement, so let's just say you're like 50 plus, you should use that 401k to buy an annuity because it's the most effective and efficient way of giving you a retirement income that you can't outlive. And the payouts are the highest they've been in 30 years. So you're going to be able to contractually guarantee an income from your 401k for the rest of your life, even after the 401k is spent down to zero. And that payment's not going to decrease. It's going to stay the same or be better depending on the payout. And it's just one last thing that you have to worry about. And you're also going to be able to earn interest along the way. You're going to have flexibility. You're going to be able to leave a lump sum death benefit. That's if you choose a GLWB, not annuitize the contract, which we don't recommend. We're not fans of people giving up control over their money. We want them to have control over their money. We want them to earn interest. We want them to have a lump sum death benefit for their beneficiaries. So hope that answered your question. If you have any specific questions about your scenario, just contact us at the Annuity Expert or leave a comment below, and we'll talk to you on the next video.